What it do, what it do, what it do, YouTube? Hey, one time it is your girl Minnie, and I am back at it with another flipping video. If you are new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you get notified anytime I upload a new video, because you don't want to miss out on any of the good vibes that I have going on over here. Thank you for all the returning viewers, all the returning supporters. I really do appreciate you guys. Thank you for all your comments. Thank you for staying tuned in with your girl. So if you want to see the wig that I'm reviewing today, let's get right into this video. This is the BOBBI Boss in MISHA. I knew it was purple. She was telling me it wasn't purple. I knew it was purple. But this is how it looked in the pack. I'm like, it's purple. She was like, no, it's brown. I'm like, girl, it got purple strands in it. The one I initially wanted, they did not have. I probably should have ordered it online, huh? So this is how it looks. This reminds me of like a 90s vibe hairstyle with the layering in the front. Yeah, this is the MISHA S1B purple. But I only paid $29.99 for it. I guess she gave me a discount because she knew she was giving me purple. It says the most natural hairline with an ear-to-ear lace finish. Made in Indonesia. Every time I see Indonesia, I always think about Beyonce when she say Indonesia in her documentary. I don't know why, but that's a fun fact. So we do have combs at the temple area here and at the nape area with the adjustable strap. It's you know, regular structured wig. The lace is looking pretty good. Look at the lace. That's looking good, y'all, right? Ooh, okay. If you can see the purple strands in it, can y'all see the purple strands? Let me know if y'all can see the purple strands. Yep, there we go. She was glistening. She said, hello. Running my fingers through it, it's like snagging just a little bit, but not as much. Let's see what she's giving. Oh, she really big head friendly. I'm about to tighten this. Ooh, she's cute. Nah, homie, she's cute. With the purple strands and all. Oh, look at that layering. Ooh. So this is the hair with the lace cut off. It looks really natural. It looks like it could be yours. It even feels like it could be yours. The only thing is that it sheds. Look at this shedding. This shedding is crazy. That's the only thing. I don't know if you can see it. It looks like you can. It's in the brush too. It's on my chair. It does go side ear to side ear like you said it does. Put some powder on this lace. It's definitely a pop on and go. Like, you don't even have to do much. I really do like this. This is the length of it. It's just the shedding for me. Like, I can't do it with the shedding, but I would definitely, this would definitely be my go-to wig. I really like this wig. If you don't mind the shedding, I will leave the link down below for you to try out. But yeah, she's cute. But anyway, if you like this video, this is a very short video. If you like this video, please give this video a big fat thumbs up. Let me know what kind of wigs you would like me to try. If you want me to color some wigs, comment down below. And anything you need, I got it. No. Yeah, until next time. Peace. I would like to get to know your